Hello everyone. The schedule activity on the scrap order management module will add an activity button on the scrap orders, allowing user to set up a reminder, follow-ups or an assign task directly from the scrap order form view. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the inventory. Under the operations, you can see the scrap where we can create a new scrap order by using this new option which is available here. Now in this, let me add a product. We can add a quantity here, and in this you can add an source document if any, company, replenish quantities, everything. Now, after installing this module, user can see an activity menu over here. Now, once you click on that, it will open a wizard where we can add an activity and schedule it based on their requirements. Now we have several activity types. We can do this, and it will be linked with the calendar, and also it will be from using this we can schedule a call, email, to do, and we can create it more like other modules, like on other modules we have. Now in this we can make a summary, so we can make a call or something. We can make add a summary over here, and in this we can add a log note, and here in this we can add the due date. Okay, and in this we can assign to the person. Now we can schedule it, and we can schedule and mark this as a done, and we can done and schedule the next one, and we can cancel it from here. Now let's schedule. You can see that it will be logged today. You can see that one or like one activity will be reminding, it will be for today, and one for future. So if you click on the future, you can see that which is a one for future, and here in this you can see all the scrap orders which needs to be done today. This is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.